Okay, hello guys. So today we got a Squire P base coming in for a pro setup. Apart from that, flat leveling as well, change of electronics and hardware. So yeah, stay tuned to the end. This is going to be a very long video. If you need any of my help with any of the work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Bye. Okay bro, so I got an issue. Dia punya tuners ni kan bila nak masukkan, if you can see there's a shift. So basically this diameter and the diameter of this shaft dekat sini, this thing is smaller. So that's why the a bit hard for me to center the thing. I can try and center for you the best I can. Tapi even so dia punya, you can see, nampak macam dia tak fit lah. So what I'm going to do is I'm more concerned about this bushing here. Pasal kalau dia punya contact dia tak betul, nanti we will put extra load on the screw. So I'm suggesting that I'm trying to do the 3D printed punya bushing to actually fit this just nice. Let me know if you want to do that. There will be a bit more cost, but I think it's a better step to installing this lah. So you let me know, okay? So this is the spacer. I've done for the rest. So if it's just nice here, then I add this guy. And as you can see, there's not a lot of shifting. After it's all snug, take a look, there's no shift. This one is yet to be tightened. bro, guitar is almost done, tuners are up, nut is at 80%, yeah, bridge also almost done. I'm left with the intonation and the setup work. Okay, for the bass side, on the 17th fret, the cutoff point is 2.7, but this one I got it as low as 2, and on the treble side I got it down to 1.5. Cutoff is actually at 2.4, which is, this is way lower than whatever the industry want to have. Because you say you want low action, like I mentioned before, I need to string up the guitar or the bass before I can tell you how low it can go, to make it very comfortable. Okay, there's a few things. Number one, I'm gonna cap on the first fret so I can have an accurate reading. Okay, lay of the neck is straight. So I'm going to give you a sound test. It will clear up from here onwards up to past the 15th fret, whereby it will start to buzz around here. Okay, have a listen. Okay, so this is the fret that is affected. Actually, they were supposed to have a what we call it, like a drop off. So from here to here it will be straight, then relatively from here downwards it will have like a drop off. This one don't have it, or over the years it has adjusted here and there, then of course it will buzz. If you want to follow industry standard spec, definitely this one can clear, but it's not so low lah, in that sense that you if you're looking for very low action, this is low, but the buzzing is there. So if the buzzing is there, let me know if you want me to fret level the thing. If not, I will raise it to what's on paper, then at least you clear all the notes and it's like a factory reset. Okay, yeah, so pretty much that's the update for this. You can pick up in a few days. Let me just finish off with the rest. The other thing is screw for the pick guard. I don't think you have this. Let me know if you want. I have it in black. I give you the quotation later on. Okay, bye. there's an update. The squire P-base, the nut is okay already. Then I did the fret leveling for this area here. Adjusted a bit of the neck as well. Intonation, I worked on it also. It's at 95% accuracy. You still have a little bit of intonation issue, but not a lot. String instrument, usually you cannot get it to 100% in tune. I'm using actually like a stroke tuner, so it's a bit more accurate than your normal tuners. So 95% is actually good enough. Okay, so this is the sound test. So both pickups are okay. This one is for the neck and this one is for the bridge. This is a tone knob. If you full on, then you might want to consider using a noise gate, because you can hear a bit of the humming and buzzing. Okay, so usually I will put this at 50% to just cut the noise out. Not a big deal. This is pretty much still a single coil, and of course you have that hum and buzz. Okay. Okay, so guitar, the bass is good. I'm going to clean up a bit more. Then after that, you can pick up both your guitar, your acoustic guitar with your bass. Alright, so I see you soon. Take care, bye.